we are going to see how to scale the objects using reference. So for this option we have to create one door, or we can directly use the door from the library. To access the library, select view option, go in tool palettes. Here in architectural you will see windows, door. So instead, before using this door, what we will do is we will set the units UN, enter. Here select engineering and select precision as 0. Select here either feet or inches. I will select inches. Okay, and I will draw a line of 7 feet. 7 single apostrophe. Enter. So this is the line of 7 feet. Now I will use this door. It is taking some time. It has been inserted here. I will move this door from this position to this position. I think so it is almost 7 feet. Let's check it. No, it's 6 feet and 6 inches. Suppose you want to make this door to 7 feet. Select your scale, select this door, press enter, specify the base point. I will specify this as the base point. Then select a reference option or press R, enter. Then select the complete height of the door. After selecting height, press P, enter, and select the end points of the line. So that's it. The door has been changed to the height of 7 feet. Thanks for watching the video, and please do subscribe for upcoming videos of AutoCAD.